yung guitar like basically, guitar like siya. Self-explanatory siya. So, yung pinakita ko kanina, which is ito yung guitar like kasi meron siyang mga strings and ito yung fret niya, no? And meron din siyang mga chords. Kapag pinindot mo, tutunog mo siya. So, kung kanina, hinulaan nyo yung mga songs through physical guitar, tignan natin kung makuhulaan nyo yung song through virtual guitar. Yes, Irish. Scientist na ko. Scientist.
Walang yelo. Iba to.
Tama ba? Yes, tama, the scientist. So, ano naman yung na-film mo sa scientist? So, the scientist.
Chill pa rin. Kasi ang ganda po ng melody.
Okay, so chill, maganda yung melody. Pero yung meaning ng song is actually parang nag-break up sila tapos nagkabalikan ulit sila. So, sad but hopeful. Yes, like? Okay, sure. Next, we have
Dapatin mo kasi kayo.
Heaven. Send you to me. Okay, ano yun?
Sige na, sabahin mo na.
Yes, Madra. Position ni Ariana, tama. So ano yung na-feel mo sa position ni Ariana? Uy! Okay, so yung sa position ni Ariana is actually a love song na parang sinasabi, I can do every position for you. So when we say position, I can be a cheerleader, your best friend, your lover, so you can be flexible for someone you love. By the way, yung pag-play pala dito, kung kanina nakita natin yung streaming pattern, ito ay finger picking.
Fingers na.
Yes, position. Next. Yes, Jello.
Ano? Believer by Imagine Dragons.
Ayun. So, correct. Believer by Imagine Dragons. Ano naman yung na-feel mo sa Believer by
Parang empowering siya na...
Villain arc.
Parang bilang arc to.
Ayun. So, tama no. Yung Believer naman, kung kanina na-feel natin yung sad but hopeful, and then make it love, and now make inspired. Parang ginagamit natin yung power ng pain natin para maging stronger pa tayo para sa mga susunod pa nating challenges. Tama, Believer. And then last song. Yes. Miss Irish.
Lightning lights ng The Weeknd.
Ayun, so tama. Lightning lights. And speaking of lights, parang medyo madilim na yung class natin.
Lighted by the hits.
Lightning lights naman, ano naman yung lightning lights?
Cheerful.
Cheer. Ayun, so si Irish no, yung emotion niya is nakukuha niya sa melody and sa rhythm ng song. Yung lightning lights talks about desperation and longingness na isang tao na parang please come back. Ayun. So, pinakita natin again na kahit sa visual instrument na yung emotion pala niya ay nagtatranscend sa audience, sa mga listeners. And yun yung guitar light. So, yung pangalawa naman is yung virtual guitar in digital audio workstation. So, meron pa tayong question sa guitar light. Wala naiintindihan. Very good class. So, ang virtual guitar naman sa DAW, software-based guitar siya na instrument used in digital music production. Ginagamitan din doon ng MIDI or ng musical instrument digital interface. Katulad ng piano roll na pinakita din kanina or last meeting. So, nagtitrigger naman to ng realistic sound and pwede siyang ma-customize with effects, chords, and strumming patterns. plug in UJA and virtual guitarist. And this is best for music producers, composers, and beat makers. So, for us, I think this is too advanced na yung BandLab. Dahil you can literally produce your own music gamit lang yung BandLab. By the way, yung BandLab pala ay hindi virtual guitar, kundi DAW siya. So, digital audio workstation siya. So, unfortunately kasi yung BandLab, hindi niya binibigay yung full picture kapag naka-free ka lang. So, it's quite hard for me na ipakita sa inyo physically dahil bukod sa maraming ads, hindi mo din magagamit yung feature. So, kumuha na lang tayo ng video.
In the BandLab app, on the track mixer screen, tap on the plus icon. Tap on MIDI
So,
instruments.
in-explain niya paano gamitin yung virtual
Scroll through the tabs at the top of the screen with your finger and tap on the Guitars tab. Tap on the acoustic guitar
By the way,
to install
ginagamit niya
it.
lang pala yung Android phone. So, everyone can follow.
Then tap on acoustic guitar again to select it. At the bottom right of the screen, tap on the step sequencer icon. Add some notes to the first bar. At the top of the screen, tap the brown area so it turns orange. This will make the first bar repeat every time you press the play button. A good place to start is to add an amp simulator and a cab simulator to get that electric guitar feel. At the bottom right of the screen, tap Done. At the bottom of the screen, tap Effects. At the top right of the None image icon, tap the plus icon. If an Edit this preset pop-up message appears, tap Edit. At the top right of the FX screen, tap the plus icon. At the top of the FX screen, tap the Amps and Cabs tab. Tap on Multi-Amp Pro. Tap the drop-down list to the right of the word Model. Tap on one of the amp names in the list. At the bottom of the screen, tap the play button to hear the amp effect on the acoustic guitar. Tap on the drop-down list again and select a different amp name from the list. Repeat until you find an amp sound you like. For this demo, tap on BLE 45. Here, I have left the green dots on the green bars as default, but feel free to change them to hear how they change the sound. At the top right of the FX screen, tap the plus icon. At the top of the FX screen, tap the Amps and Cabs tab, and tap on Multi-Cab Pro. Tap on the drop-down list to the right of the word cab, then tap on one of the cab names in the list. Once again, you can tap the play button to hear the cab effect on the acoustic guitar. For this demo, tap on 4x10 J Vintage. Here, I have left the mic and mic position as the default, but feel free to change them to hear how they change the sound.
Ayun. So, very short tutorial lang siya. So, pinakita kung paano ba na papalitan yung effects sa BandLab pagdating sa virtual guitar, no? And, ito siya in real life. Medyo mahirap lang din paganahin kasi ayan siya. Tapos, pwede, yung kaninang pinakita niya, ayan. So, hindi ko ito ginawa, hindi ko siya sinadya, pero, di din, Ayan, very customizable siya and very tailor-fitting kung ano man yung gusto nyo ipakita. Ito actually mga notes niya sa gilid. So, pag tinaas-taas nyo pa yan, marami pa siya mga notes sa taas. So, kayo yung mismo yung maglalagay ng notes kung paano nyo gusto mag-produce ng sarili nyong music. Basically, beat for beat, note per note. Kaya, labor-intensive yung band lab. Again, kasi nga, for professional use siya. So, meron pa tayong question pagdating sa virtual instruments sa DAW.
Wala po.
Ayan, wala. So, very good kung naiintindihan lahat. So, advantages and disadvantages of virtual guitar. So, first, yung advantages niya, easy to use. Hindi na tayo kailangan magkaroon ng kalyo sa daliri. Hindi na din natin kailangan isipin yung chords na hawakan with strumming patterns. So, madali na lang siya makapag-record, no? Easy to use lang siya. No need for physical instrument. So, aside from you don't really have to have physical instrument, limitless pa yung option nyo. Katulad ng pinakita ko kanina na napakaraming types of guitars na pwede kayong maka-access, no? Hindi na kailangan bumili. Third, wide sound option. So, kung marami tayong guitar na pwedeng makuha or ma-access, malaki na din yung wide option niya. Aside from that, pwede mo na din lagyan again ng mga sound effects like i-synthesize yung sound, reverb, echo, etc. Editable and customizable. Kapag kasi na-record nyo yung virtual guitar, pwede nyo siya ulit patungan ng another guitar. So, magkakaroon kayo ng patong-patong na instrument hanggang sa makuha nyo yung gusto nyong tunog. And lastly, perfect for recording. Walang mga hangin sa paligid. Alam ko, nung mga high school tayo, di ba? Pag nag-gitara tayo, may mic na tapat sa gitara and sabog siya, basically. Yun naman yung ina-expect. Pero kapag gumamit tayo ng virtual guitar, perfect siya for recording kasi hindi na natin iisipin yung mga background noise. Pero lahat naman ng advantages may disadvantages. So, Mr. Isaac, can you explain ba yung disadvantages when we say lack of physical feel?
Siguro wala kang masyadong practice. Iba pa rin kasi kapag may physical attachment sa isang instrument. Hindi katulad ng mga virtual. Hindi mo ma-experience yung value na mararamdaman mo, yung hardship na mararamdaman mo kung gumagamit ka ng physical guitar.
Yes.
Ayun yung kaya lack of physical.
So, thank you so much, Mr. Colliantes. Pag sinabi natin lack of physical feel, iba pa rin talaga yung charm kapag may hinahawakan tayo and may strum tayo, mas napipil natin yung music, lalo na sa mga live gigs. Imagine, di ba, si Taylor Swift, pag nagpo-perform siya na may guitar, mas feel natin, mas in tune tayo na makisabay sa kanyang music. So, second, limited expression. So, ano yung pagkakaintindi mo dito, Jen?
Okay.
Kala mo.
So, magdating kasi sa, like sa normal acoustic guitar, like yung expression, like facial expression and yung feeling talaga ng habang tumutugtog is napaparating mo sa mga nakikinig sa'yo. While in a virtual guitar kasi, like, parang nakaset na yung mismong notes and parang, kumbaga parang wala na siyang buhay. In a sense, parang human touch, wala na siyang expression pag nang gano'n.
Okay, yes. So,
Pwede mo tunggal, ma'am? Saka yung limited expression kasi yung mga virtual, alam ko, yun lang yung mga ginagamit pag sumubisip ko. Lalo na kasi hindi ko pa na papakinggan na may gumamit ng virtual sa mismo live. Kaya limited expression. Iba pa rin kasi yung live, andun yung mga iba't ibang emotion ng makikinig sa'yo. Siyempre, nararamdaman mo ng performance.
yes, so when we say kasi na virtual guitar, hindi siya katulad ng physical guitar na ginagamit sa in front of stage. Of course, nasa backstage niya, hindi rin nakikita ng audience. And limited of expression, again, katulad din ng sinabi kanina ni Jello, minsan kasi kapag nagigitara tayo, hindi naman perfect yung sound and that makes it perfect din na mas in tune tayo sa feel. Yes, so i-connect na din natin sa may sound robotic. Pag kasi too perfect na yung sound, para walang pagkakamali. It's really meant for recording and not for live gigs. So it really depends kung paano natin gagamitin yung virtual guitar. Fourth, we have requires software knowledge, katulad sa DAW and sa MIDI. Regardless kung meron ka ng pinaka-latest na software-based na virtual guitar, kung hindi mo siya kayang gamitin with the integration of DAW and MIDI, hindi mo din ma-achieve yung fullest potential ng virtual instruments na yan. And lastly, less suitable for live performance. Na kanina pa naman natin pinag-uusapan. So ano ba yung makukuha natin dito? Ang virtual guitar at ang physical guitar, parehas lang silang mahalaga. Depende talaga kung ano yung goal mo kung paano sila gagamitin. Of course, for recording, maganda si virtual guitar, pero kapag live gigs, maganda din naman si physical guitar. Walang mas sa isa. Ayan, so parehas silang importante. And ang mahalaga naman, magamit natin itong mga virtual instrument na to para magbigay ng inspirasyon, ng pagmamahal, ng ibang perspektiba, ideolohiya. No, marami ginagamit ng music pagdating sa napakaraming bagay katulad ng campaigning,
Magluluto.
pagluluto, pwede din sa marketing. So, maraming use yung
Bakit? Tama naman ah.
yes, tama naman.
Explain ko sa inyo.
Maraming use yung music and natutulungan tayo ng mga instrument na to para ma-achieve yung goal natin ngayon. So, that would be all for our lesson. Yay! Thank you so much for listening. So, for our next lesson, mag-usapan natin ang another visual instrument. So, better prepare for
Picture. Picture lang. Okay na yan.
Sir, kaya pa sir.